At fuel tank, due to the suction created by the electric feed pump, the fuel strainer collects and filters the contaminants from the diesel fuel. The electric feed pump sucks the fuel from the tank and supplies the pressurized fuel to the twin fuel filters. In the first stage of fuel filtration process, the fuel passes through the primary or protect filter, which filters out harmful particles and separates water from fuel. The water gets collected at the bottom side of the filter. In the second stage of fuel filtration process, the fuel passes through the secondary or fine filter, which filters out tiniest particles and separates water from fuel. The water gets collected at the bottom side of the filter. The filtered fuel is supplied to the high-pressure pump inlet through the suction line. The high-pressure pump supplies the required amount of fuel to the common rail through the HP pipe, as per the demand of ECU. From the common rail, the fuel gets supplied to the individual solenoid fuel injectors through the HP pipes. The specified quantity of fuel gets distributed into the cylinders at the specified time and pressure, based on the firing order. The fuel injectors make multiple injections per cycle, that is pre, pilot, main and post, for achieving complete combustion. The excess fuel from the injector, common rail, and high-pressure pump gets collected into the fuel accumulator through leak-off lines. From the fuel accumulator, the fuel is supplied to the fuel tank through the return line. The tank pressure valve is fitted to keep the pressure in the fuel tank within safe limits. The tank pressure valve opens out when the pressure inside the tank becomes positive and reaches its specified value. It allows vapors from the tank to the atmosphere. When the pressure in the fuel tank becomes negative and reaches its specified value, it opens the valve to let the outside air flow in the fuel tank. The entire direct injection common rail system is controlled by electronic control unit, based on the inputs received from different sensors.